So we are here in Augusta, Georgia, particularly here in Fort Eisenhower. It is because my husband is going to re-enlist my niece, who is in the army. And her mom is here. Say hi! And Nikki is here to attend. So we drove like 6 hours to get here. And this is Fort Eisenhower. Sweetheart, nag-ingay ka naman.
Yan mo na.
So we're going to witness the re-enlistment. It's my first time to attend a re-enlistment. So see. Oh, they have like armies here.
Colonel Milan, first side. Commander Jimenez? Yep. Commander Jimenez, sir? Okay. Okay, so I'm Staff Sergeant Rodriguez. I'm actually the retention NCO for the DENTAC. And I would just want to give a great thanks to everyone to show support Sergeant Boakholder. She re-enlisted for 4 more years to go as a 42 Alpha. And her class day, I know, 42 Alpha. Get more papers and more paperwork, but hey, that's a career path that she wants to choose, and she's a great soldier, and she's going to do great things at 42 Alpha in January class. So, but other than that, sir, I know that you want to get a few words, so just go ahead.
Yeah, just really quick. Yeah, that's a great milestone for Sergeant Lim. But one thing I'd like to tell Sergeant Lim.
Burkholder.
Burkholder. Hey, Brian.
Are you re-enlisting somebody else?
Yeah, I'm really sorry about that. We can edit that on the video. Yeah, this is a great milestone for her. For presiding officer, it's really a big honor because you know, when a sailor or a soldier re-enlists, it's like a decision making before, you know, entering, you know, the military service. When they re-enlist for the first time, that's when, okay, I think I like it, I'm gonna do another 2 years or 3 years. But the second time of doing it, this is like when the soldier or sailor decided that, hey, this is gonna be my milestone, my career milestone. So yeah, it's really a big honor, you know, for inviting me to do the oath. And congratulations, I'm sure your family is very, very proud of you. And of course your brother, he has a brother in Germany, Sergeant Lim. That's a sergeant. So, yeah, but yeah, again, congratulations, and really appreciate Colonel for, you know, for inviting me here to do the oath. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Not a problem, sir. So I'll just go ahead and call the group on attention for us to do the oath by Commander Jimenez.
Okay.
Group attention.
Raise your hand, right hand, repeat after me. I state your name.
I, Francis Diana Lim Borkholder,
Do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
that I will support and defend
that I will support and defend
the Constitution of the United States
the Constitution of the United States
against all enemies,
against all enemies,
foreign and domestic.
foreign and domestic,
And I will obey the orders
and I will obey the orders
of the President of the United States
of the President of the United States
and all the orders
and all the orders
of the officers appointed over me
appointed over me
according to regulation
according to
and the
regulation
Uniform Code
and according to regulation and the Uniform Code
of Military Justice.
of military justice.
So help me God.
So help me God.
I need you. All right. On yours. Go ahead. You go, Boakholder.
It's your Florida yan.
I didn't prepare anything other than thank you for my family that came down, my mom for flying to California, my uncle, my cousins, and my aunt, especially since you drove all the way from this morning from North Carolina. Colonel Milan, First Sergeant, and all the troopers, Major Chen, thank you. Definitely my husband, as well as one of our good old friends, Staff Sergeant Beach, for coming as well.
Yeah.
I've I've been thinking about 42 Alpha for quite some time. Every time it's time for reenlisting, hey, there's no class seats available. Now I got it, I said, no, I'm staying. Not gonna lie, I actually been hoping to have Commander Jimenez, also known as my uncle, to do a reenlistment ceremony. So for us to be stationed within 6 hours apart from each other, I said, can you please make it? And he made it happen. And that is all that I got.
Good job.
Thank you. You want to take me?
This is spouse.
So I've been here for a little bit.
Thank you.
Yeah, picture tayo.
Well, I was surprised.
That's so cute.
Yay!
There.
Oh, that's nice.
Dapat dito ka, Ems.
And we're done with the re-enlistment. And this is Fort Eisenhower. Ay, hindi. Wala nang maganda dito. Wala nang makikita.
Here's your phone.
So, we are here in my niece's house.
Si Brian may ipatur kay tudluan ka unsa mag street sex ka.
So, we are now here in my niece's house. And I want you to give a tour on her house. Dayan! I-tour ko sa imo, bye!
Ayaw ko sa master's cake mo.
Ha? Dali, i-tour ko! Asa man ta mag-start?
Well, you're not going in the masters because it's a mess.
It's okay, it's okay.
Alright.
Okay.
Here's our 2-car garage.
A 2-car garage house. Okay, dahan. Okay.
This is our laundry room.
So this is, as soon as you enter from the garage, is the laundry room. Oh, that's nice.
Here's the
How about this one? What's in here?
pantry.
That's the pantry. Okay, we'll check. There's your pantry.
I'm gonna put my burrito in the fridge.
Okay,
Go for
next.
it. Kitchen.
Oh, there's the kitchen.
Oh wait. This is my favorite. Here's my mahjong table.
Yeah, they got the mahjong. It's a must in every house. We have the mahjong table.
It's a square table.
Yes, it's a high chair. High chair.
O galing kay nang magawas.
Okay, na magoy ko.
And
And
then
this is the living area.
living area.
Nakuha po di dagoy.
This is the same couch.
Is this where I'm sleeping?
No, you're sharing with Mama.
Okay, next.
Here.
Oh, you have that. This is real?
Maglami ani go.
Electric.
I like this one. It's the walking.
This is Brian's little office.
Ah, you got their office. Ah, that's
Well,
nice.
office / game room.
Next. Yeah, tabihin mo kay Papa.
Amazon.
Oo nga.
Alright.
I got the dart. It's hard dart.
Electric.
There's already walls in the wall, so you don't have to worry.
And then this is the masters, which is gonna be a no-no.
Nga naman. Just a peek. A peek.
No, it's a mess. You're not going in there.
Just a peek.
But there.
Oh, this is the main entrance.
Yes. But here's the half bath.
Okay, they got the half bath. The powder room. Ah, this nice. Oh my gosh, this is huge.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, next, let's go upstairs. How many?
Dining.
The dining. How many bedroom you've got?
3 upstairs.
3 and 1 at the ground floor. That which is the master's bedroom. Dito po kagabi. It's our first time too, so.
So,
Oh, I like your carpet. You cannot tell if it's dirty.
what's your guess? Room, closet.
Closet.
Alright, if you guys get cold, here's the blankets.
Okay, get the blanket. Oh, get a lot of blankets.
I love my
Why
blankets.
is it 74 degrees in here?
You can change it. Feel free to change it.
We want 65.
Tugnaw kayo.
It's already 60. This is where Mama and Nikki will stay.
Oh, okay. You have your room now. Okay.
And then across the hall is the
Bathroom.
That's the full bath.
Full bath. Unsa may nato portahan?
Surprise, open it.
Surprise. It's going to the other bedroom.
Alright, wait. Right here, we have all the towels.
I get all the towels.
Si Brian lagi katuganan ka sa pagsulit-suga.
Wala na di adto mag-attic dag.
Alright.
Pwede pa to additional kuan.
And then here's another
Why
one.
am I closet?
Oh,
That's nice.
just you have a lot of like
Alright.
storage.
This is locked for reasons.
What's the reason?
We have our guns in there.
Oh.
And then this is gonna be where you and Uncle Ed will stay.
Okay. Where's our bed?
I asked you to bring your air mattress.
So if you're going to stay here, bring your own mattress.
Hey!
That's nice, Dad.
Yeah,
Is this brand new?
2005 build.
Ikapila ma'am ka-owner.
Third, if I'm not mistaken.
So if you would be stationed in Fort Eisenhower, this is a nice neighborhood. Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome.
Huh? Oh, we have to look. Why do we have to look at the backyard? We can play cornhole.
You just now noticed it?
Ah, nice. Take a wedding picture.
No, look at the canvas.
Ah, that's nice too.
It's crooked.
That's a canvas. Well, Brian just
This is upside down.
he purposely did that.
I have an intelligence of 6.
I know what I'm doing.
I know what I'm doing. Ah, that's pretty. Get their pictures. Asa, we'll look at the backyard. Let's check the backyard.
Oh, your TV is so big.
Oh wow, got a huge TV. Dog 75 inches.
Cyberproof.
Ay, mabigat na video, okay?
This was my Christmas gift from Auntie Eight.
Oh, parehon lang tanan.
Mix, that's the same TV from Maryland.
You know, saying it's a slow day.
And then the backyard.
Just China.
Oh wow.
Ashton,
This is huge.
were you missing a half? Were you missing a half?
Oh wow. Daghan. Oh, that's nice. This is a nice neighborhood. I like it.
Upstairs.
Kanang mura siya og